Hi, today I'm for the new Redmi Note and Lite, and I'll show you the face unlock test on this device. So I just set up my face recognition, and now I'll make a couple of tries to unlock the device with my face, and we will see how fast this feature is and does it works. So let's just try. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. As we can see, face unlock works here correct and fast. I just unlocked the device less than in 1/10 of the second. This is the good result for the face unlock. I just suggest you to try this unlock method, but don't forget that the face unlock is less secure than the passcode or PIN code unlock methods. That's it, thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like, comment and to subscribe our channel.